Hello everyone. Recently CBSE has changed the question paper pattern for the board exam 2021. So they have introduced a new type of question called as case study based question. In my previous video I have done one case study question from the chapter coordinate geometry, statistics and polynomials. So this is from the chapter triangles. Question goes like this. Kerala is a state in southern India. The state is known as tropical paradise of waving palms and wide sandy beaches. This map of Indian province of Kerala shows its area can be approximated using a simple straight-sided shape. The shape has two parallel sides, 561 km and 216 km long. The other sides are 180 km and 211 km long. Its parallel sides are 100 km apart. Shreya observed the shape formed by the four straight lines and explored it on her notebook in different ways shown below. So you can see the map of the Kerala, and this is shape 1 and the other one is shape 2. So shape 1 and shape 2. Now 5 questions have given. You need to attempt any 4. Each question has got 4 choices. It is a multiple choice type question. So first one, refer to shape 1. Let ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. You can see ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to DC. E and F are the points on non-parallel sides AB and BC respectively. Now such that EF is parallel to AB. We need to prove AE divided by ED equal to AE divided by ED. You can see here AE divided by ED will be equal to BF by FC. So this is the correct option, BF by FC. Now second question, here AB is parallel to CD, DO equal to 3x minus 19. OB equal to x minus 5. They have given all these values. We need to find out value of x. So they have given DO, you can see in the figure, DO equal to 3x minus 19. So 3x minus 19, that is DO. Then OB, it is given as x minus 5. Again CO is given as x minus 3 and AO equal to 3. We need to find the value of x. So here already we have studied Thales theorem. When you have studied the Thales theorem, we have proved this problem also. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and the diagonals intersect each other at O. Then we have studied this relation also, that is AO divided by CO. I can write the relation AO divided by CO equal to AO divided by CO equal to BO divided by DO. Now I just need to substitute the value, solve this equation so that I will get the value of x. So to solve this, we can write AO is 3, AO is 3, CO is x minus 3, BO is x minus 5 and DO is 3x minus 19. Now we need to cross multiply this to get the answer. So 3 into 3x minus 19 equal to x minus 5 into x minus 3. So which is equal to 9x minus 57 equal to x square minus 8x plus 50. Now we need to solve this. So if you take this 9x to the side, then we have, so when you simplify this, we'll get x square minus 17x plus 72 equal to 0. So we can take the factors will be x minus 9 and x minus 8. Product of two numbers is 72 and sum of two numbers is 17. So the value of x is either 8 or 9. So the second option is the correct answer. So again they have given AB is parallel to CD, DO equal to 3x minus 1, OB equal to 5x minus 3, CO equal to 2x plus 1, AO equal to 6x minus 5. We need to find the value of x. We need to refer figure 1. They have clearly told the 3 questions you need to refer shape 1. So this is the shape 1. So again same result you can write, AO divided by OC equal to BO divided by OD. So AO they have given as 6x minus 5, OC is 2x plus 1, BO is 5x minus 3, and OD is 3x minus 1. Now we need to cross multiply this. So when you cross multiply 6x minus 5 into 3x minus 1 equal to 5x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So which is equal to 6x into 3x, which is equal to 18x square minus 6x minus 15x plus 5 equal to 10x square plus 5x minus 6x minus 3. Now we need to simplify this. Now we need to solve this. When I simplified, I got 8x square minus 20x plus 8 equal to 0. 18x square minus 10x square is 8x square. Again this minus 6x cancel. Minus 15x minus 5x is minus 20x. And that minus 3 when I took to the other side, it will become plus 8. Now instead of, you can solve this by using the quadratic formula or splitting the middle method. Or otherwise, if I substitute the value of the x, if I am getting 0 on the right side, that will be the answer. So definitely it is not going to be 0, and 1 also it is not going to be, because 8 minus 20 plus 8 is not equal to 16 minus 20 is minus 2. So this is not the answer. Now we will try with 2. 8 into 4 is 32 minus 20 into 2 is 40 plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. So my answer is 3. You can solve this either, this is a quadratic equation, you can solve this either using the quadratic formula or by splitting the middle method. Since this question is for 1 mark, we need not spend too much time for this question. You can do by this method also. Next question, refer to shape 2. So you have to refer this shape. PQ is parallel to BC. So this question, PQ is parallel to BC. AP is 2.4. AQ is 2 centimeter. QC is 3 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter. We need to find out AB and PQ. We know that the corollary of Thay's theorem, if a line is parallel to PQ is parallel to BC, I can write side of new triangle formed is proportional to the side of the given triangle. So I can write AP divided by AB equal to AQ divided by AC equal to PQ divided by BC. Side of new triangle formed is proportional to side of the given triangle. So 2.4 divided by AB, I don't know, I have to find out the value. AQ is 2, AC means you need to add AQ plus QC, that is 5, equal to PQ, we don't know, and BC is 6. So PQ divided by BC. Now we need to cross multiply. If you cross multiply first 2, you will get the value of AB. If you cross multiply the next 2, then you will get the value of this one, PQ. BC already I know it is 6 centimeter. So when you cross multiply, 2.4 into 5 divided by 2 equal to AB. So 1.2 into 5 is 6. AB is 6 centimeter. Again we need to find out PQ. So PQ equal to 2 into 6 divided by 5. So PQ is 12 by 5, which is equal to 2.4. So let's see whether it is there in the bracket. So it is 6 centimeter and 2.4 centimeter. So AB is 6 and PQ is 2.4 centimeter. So next question, in the figure DEF, so this triangle we have to see, they have given DR, so DR, then they have given DS, then RE, ER and FS they have given. RS is parallel to EF, so by Thales theorem, if RS is parallel to EF, the sides will be proportional. If a line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio, so I can write DR divided by ER equal to DS divided by FS. Now we will substitute the values and we will find out the value of x. So DR is 4x minus 3. ER is 3x minus 1. DS is 8x minus 7. FS is 5x minus 3. Now we need to cross multiply and find out the value of x. So it is 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3 equal to 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1. Now when you simplify this, we can see it is 20x square minus 15x minus, so minus 12x plus 9 equal to 24x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 7. So we can simplify this. So I got the equation like this, 2x x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0 when I solve this. Now either you can solve this using splitting the middle term, or you can substitute the value. First value is 1, let us substitute that. 2 into 1 square minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So definitely value of x is equal to 1. So in today's video we have seen a case study question from the chapter triangles. Mainly we have used here Thales theorem, and the corollary of Thales theorem we have used in most of the problems. So thank you for watching my video.